Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change payment methods on your Google Play Store. Now for showing you that, I'm just simply going to open any game. Now over here, when I will try to buy something from Google Play Store, let's say I want to buy a cash. So right over here, just simply click on your Google Play balance if you have that. And over there you will find the current Gmail ID that is linked with the game. Now let me show you how to change that. So for doing that, go back to your home screen or just simply go to the navigation panel and click on settings. Now over here, just simply search for sync. Then click on account and sync. Now just simply scroll down till the very bottom and you will find Google. Click on that. Now over here you will find all the Gmail accounts which is in your phone. So just simply choose the exact Gmail account that you want to remove from the game. So choose that. Now click on more. Then click on remove account. But don't worry, we are just removing this account temporarily. We will be adding this back. So click on remove account. Then remove. Now just simply restart the game. Now if I try to buy something over here, you will see that the payment account has been changed. So let me show you. Now as you can see right over here, the new payment account has been added over here. As you can see right over here. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.